I have a little bit of a car update on what I've got going on, but today I'm going to try to take this car to a car wash because it's filthy, and there's a car wash not too far from here. I don't know if I'll make it there or back, whatever. This car is going to Jay's garage hopefully next week. He's basically just gonna put it together for me. So small suspension stuff, make it so the key works again. Hopefully that will be a somewhat drivable car in the very near future. That car is just a car and it's dirty. And this one, the tires are at my office already. The wheels, I think, are getting delivered on Monday. The suspension is like 2 or 3 weeks out. The thing that sucks is the body kit. I want Evo 1 wheel arches for the front and back. I don't care about the bumper in the front or the rear. The wing is easy, but the wheel arches are proving to be a massive challenge. So I found a couple of companies that make them, but they're all overseas, and none of the websites are like really even remotely close to good English. I don't know. So I think I might go on eBay and just order a bunch of cheap like screw on or stick on wheel flares and see which ones I can make look what I want. I'll show you. The exhaust on this car is absolutely hilarious. Got this clamp to this thing, to this clamp, to this clamp, this clamp, this clamp, and it has so many exhaust leaks, so it's basically like an open header. It's so funny sounding. All right, here we go. It seems like it's up to temperature. The oil pressure seems really high, but I don't know what that, maybe that's oil level. It is German. The car wash is like maybe 3 miles that way, 2 miles that way. Oh man, this thing, not gonna jinx it. I don't have a license plate. I insured it. I made an appointment with the Secretary of State to transfer the title, but the earliest appointment I could get was August. So this is actually a super nice car. Oh my God, it's just idling normal right now. It's like idling and driving normal, like a totally normal car. Sweet M3. This is super weird. So the more I get into this car, the greater it becomes, I guess. Okay, so it's back to idling high again. Oh God, there's a huge spider in here. Ah! Got him. I do not like spiders. Now I'm gonna have to burn this car to the ground. Definitely not running great now. There it goes, just had to shift. Yeah, all right, it's running like crap now. It's totally matted. Back at the building, clean. I mean, there really aren't any dents or anything. There's no rust. Got this pretty brutal chip here, but I think that when we wrap it, we'll probably just end up like scuffing all these chips down, like to level them out and calling it good. Like, I don't really care. This thing's gonna be a beater. It's just a driver. Like, I think this is gonna be pretty sweet. If you need any 190E stock parts, let me know. I might be selling some. Wheels and tires are ready to go. Mirrors are gonna come off. I don't know, whatever.